Sunday, I would like to do an experiment. For the experiment, we need aluminum foil, dry opener, some balloons, a cup of water, some stones, and a glass bottle. First, I am covering stones with aluminum foil. I am going to put stones into the bottle. This is done. Next, we have to put train opener into the balloons. So my mother is going to do this. This is very dangerous for us. We have to pour water into the bottle. The water must be half of the bottle. This balloon, there is drain opener. I have to fix this here. I'm going to pour it. Reaction is happening in the bottle. The hydrogen gas is filling in the balloon. Color of the water is changed. Now it is black. Pink one is the hydrogen balloon. It goes up. And the yellow one is the normal balloon. It goes down. Because the hydrogen is lighter than